never meet in quiet places, only in the corners where we break. You touch me and the world erases, like I'm someone you can almost take. Your words hit like a rhythm, offbeat but still I follow where they lead. I hear a song within them, but it's tangled with the things I need. You make the wrong feel sweeter, like a melody off key. You're the chaos and the meter of a love that worships me. Tangled sounds like love when it's coming from your mouth, when too much feels like enough, and the noise keeps drowning out. We crash, we rise above, 'cause we don't know any other route, baby, yeah. Tangled sounds like love, but I'm still trying to figure it out. 26 and always twisting through the lessons that I never learned. I feel the safety when you're kissing, even when the edges start to burn. You hold me like a warning, like a secret you're not supposed to keep. But I come back every morning, 'cause your danger makes my shadow sleep, yeah. You make the wrong feel warmer than the truth I try to chase. You make the hurt feel calmer when you're wrapped around my waist. Tangled sound when it's coming from your mouth, when too much feels like enough, and the noise keeps drowning out. We crash, we rise above, 'cause we don't know any other route, but I'm still trying to figure it out. Maybe we mistake affection for the thrill of running wild. Maybe we forget protection when the danger feels like stars.